Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, gear up for post-COVID new norms of normalcy exhorts CEO to RSP collective. Three modules of hot and cold zone recuperators for hot strip mill fabricated in-house at engineering shop of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant. And sanitization continues in different parts of Steel Township SAIL RSP for containing spread of COVID-19. Now the news in details. Gear up for post-COVID new norms of normalcy exhorted Mr. Deepak Chatraj, CEO Rourkela Steel Plant, in the third session of Unmukt, the new communication intervention held at Video Conference Hall on 14th May. 15 executives in the grades of E6 to E8 attended the session that was organized complying with the social distancing and other prescribed norms related to coronavirus. Referring to the changing face of the world brought about the coronavirus, the CEO said that everyone has to learn to live with the virus and adapt accordingly to survive. He exhorted all to come up with the new and unconventional ideas to deal with the challenges of the post-lockdown period with respect to health norms, redesigned mode of production, sales, revenue generation and other aspects related to the functioning of the plant. The CEO commended the efforts of some of the department of RSP who have kept their employees meaningfully engaged during the staggered on work from home hours of lockdown period. He also urged all to share their departmental achievements, big or small, through the public relation so as to give them the limelight they deserve and also inspire others. During the interaction, issues pertaining to use of face shield and special gloves during repair, maintenance and other production activities, inclusion of clause pertaining to COVID-related PPEs in the contract, regular interaction with the contractor regarding the welfare of the contract labor, new measures to encourage social distancing in marketplace, revision of tenders, purchase orders, digitization of office work, adoption of webinars, alternate income generation activities, etc. were discussed in details. The committed employees of structural and fabrication shop of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant have successfully fabricated 3 modules of hot and cold zone recuperator with the help of mechanical shop and repair shop mechanical collective for hot strip mill reheating furnace number 5. This enterprising venture has resulted in direct financial saving of rupees 18 crore for the company, as a single module would have cost rupees 6 crore if purchased from the market. It may be noted that the existing recuperator of HSM reheating furnace number 5 were damaged and running with less efficiency. In order to provide new recuperator to the mill within stipulated time period, structural and fabrication shop collective took up the challenging assignment. The main challenges faced by the structural and fabrication shop collective was the fabrication of 3 bundles of hot zone consisting of 2436 bent tubes with Y fins inserted inside each tube. This could be done in a mechanized way after developing a set of dies and fixtures. The pipe were then bent to the required serpentine shape in the available plate bending machine with a set of specially designed bending roller attachment. Minor correction of bend profile of the pipes could be done by a manual jacking device developed using innovative ideas of the shop collectives. All modules were finally tested for any welding defect by DPT and pressure testing. Drilling of holes in the top and bottom SS plate were done in repair shop mechanical and mechanical shop. Out of 3 modules, 2 modules of recuperators have been already dispatched to hot strip mill. The third set will be ready within a week. The recuperator that involved a lot of critical fabrication will be replaced in furnace number 5 during capital repair of the mill. It is worth mentioning here that these recuperator will save significant fuel cost by arresting the heat loss and increasing the rolling capacity of the mill. This bears testimony to the technical expertise and strong commitment of engineering shop collective. The Public Health Unit of Town Engineering Department of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant has been actively engaged in cleaning and decontamination of public places. With the help of Fire Service Department, the Public Health Department carried out an extensive disinfection of Sector 14 and Sector 15 chip type market area on 11th May using jetting machine. Regular cleaning and sanitation is being done at different locations of Steel Township to ensure health safety of its residents. It may be noted that the marketplace witnessed a lot of footfall and hence RSP is regularly cleaning and sanitizing this place so as to prevent the spread of the pandemic. In this, we come to end of this news bulletin. Namaskar.